Granulated garlic and burgers. Yes, they're preformed. No, I didn't have time to do it. Just because I want to pull them out, season them, and get them on the grill. It is 3:55 and I have to have dinner done before 5 o'clock when I need to leave for my son's baseball game. So I'm trying to hurry up and get this done. So before I dig into this, comment below, how do you like your burgers and what condiments do you put on yours? Hey, yo, this is Dash. Get ready. So I have some 80, I think they're 80-20 or 85-15 chuck burgers I got from the market. And I'm gonna lay them out on this foil sheet here. Can you see that? All right, so all I'm doing is getting them laid out on the sheet. And I'm gonna get them seasoned and out on the grill. I have Charlotte, yes, Charlotte. I have Charlotte warming up currently. When I do my burgers, I just keep it simple. I do make a little bit of a tint. And I always start with the salt, and I always put the salt on first. Liberal coating. Follow it up with the pepper. And last but not least, the garlic. Now I use granulated garlic. Flip the burgers over, and we're gonna repeat. Okay, so now that the burgers are seasoned, I'll see you guys out at the grill. Alright, so I have the burgers on the grill. This should not take very long, especially seeing as how I have one section of the grill that's a little warmer than everywhere else. So I'm gonna turn the dial down so that I'm not having such a big roaring fire. It was getting as warm as it was because I had the lid off while I was inside seasoning the burgers to help the grill come up to temperature faster. But now that I have the burgers on, let's slow this down just a little bit. So at this point, let's get the vent opened up, and I have my wood on the far right side. I have the vent onto the far left side to hopefully draw some of that heat and smoke across everything. I'm gonna check on this in another couple minutes.
A few moments later.
Hey, how are you today? You know how I do, man.
Yeah, especially this is a good day.
Sure enough. It's a little hot, but that's all right. I'll deal with that.
Deal with it outside and inside.
Correct. You're absolutely correct. Hey, well, you have a good one, man. All right. I'll see you next time. All right. So at this point, my burgers are done. I'm going to go ahead and I've cut the fire off, and I'm going to go ahead and close this out. What I'm gonna do at this point is go ahead in the house, get some cheese, put some cheese on the burgers, let them sit out here on the warm grill for a few minutes, then I'll get everything taken inside and I'll get everything ready for, basically, I'm gonna get the burgers and everything done and ready so that when my family gets home, they're on a field trip, they can come in the house, grab a burger or two, and we can go to the baseball game. So, I'll be back. We'll let that sit out here for just a few minutes and then I'll come and get everything, take it in the house. All right, so it's been enough time for that cheese to melt. Need to get a baking sheet and line it. Get some of this cheese off of the grate. Clean the grate up. And we'll be ready to go. Maybe tomorrow. Who knows? I'm gonna get these inside in the oven on keep warm so that they will be warm and ready for my family when they get home. My sons and my wife went on that field trip. Taste tester number 3 is inside. So we might just eat without them so we can show you what these burgers look like on the inside. What do y'all think? You want to say hi to everybody? Taste tester number 3?
Hi.
Okay. So, one is for you. One is for me. Which burger does it better?
Yeah.
This one? Now, did you want to go get mustard, ketchup?
Sure.
Whew. I'm hot. It's hot outside. It's hot by the grill. Would you like ketchup and mustard? All right.
Mustard.
It's gonna come out. All right, let me do it.
Sorry.
Hopefully, I can zoom in on the smiley face that I had to put on her burger there. All right. That good for you? Take a bite. Tell me what you think. Take a bite. Tell me what you think.
I was gonna wait for you.
Oh, okay. Are you still waiting for me?
Yeah.
So funny. So before I dig into this, comment below, how do you like your burgers and what condiments do you put on yours? I'm usually just a mustard and relish, maybe a little mayo, but
I used to be just a ketchup girl, and now I like ketchup and mayo.
it's mustard.
Mustard.
All right.
That's for good.
Is it a good burger? Okay. So the light is messing with the but the light is messing with the ability to see just how pink the burger is. But it's a medium.
Here's my bite.
Just a good old medium burger. We'll have to get some chips in a second. Alright? Well, let's... You want to tell them thank you for watching? Oh, you're still chewing. I'll wait.
I'm taking another bite. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and
Louder.
wait. Thank you for watching. Please.
Such a goofball. Hey, thank you as always for watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe.
And
Hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever one of these videos goes live.
What he said.
If you like what you saw, if you learned something, please leave me a comment down below.
And see you next time.
And we'll see you next time. Thank you. Come on, finish eating, goofball.